back to the JetBackup tutorial series. In this tutorial, we'll be going over the security section of JetBackup 5. We'll provide a summary of the functions the security section provides, as well as what options you'll have in this section after installing a security plugin. As always, all of our tutorials are available at jetbackup.com/tutorials. Through the security feature, JetBackup can interact with various security plugins through specific hook points, allowing your security plugin to trigger JetBackup and automatically execute a file restore and lock the latest clean incremental account backup from the infected account to ensure data protection. For a quick tour of the security GUI, we'll start by navigating to the security plugin section on the left side of the navigation menu. Once on the security menu, we'll see the option to choose the security plugin of our choice, and we can select one from the drop-down. If the plugin is not installed, we have the ability to install it from this menu here. Once installed, we're able to choose whether the plugin triggers a lock, a restore of an infected file, or both when an infection is detected. And that'll conclude our walkthrough of the security section for JetBackup 5. Thanks for joining us. In our next tutorial, we'll be going over the plugins page. If you'd like additional tutorials for JetBackup 5, our entire tutorial series is available on our website at jetbackup.com/tutorials.